can't slow it down. You've got your story, I've got mine. They'll only get to hear your side, but that's alright. Yeah, I'll be fine. So many things I left unsaid and wish I could do. If you could help me with a few. Wrap your arms around your mama, tell her that this one's for me. Stop by that bar on the corner, buy our friends a round of drinks. I'm not gonna run your name down, I won't beg for you to stay. If you ever really love me, could you give me one last thing? Tell your sister I'll miss our talks. I'll leave my key in the mailbox, knowing that I did all that I could do, but I'm still losing more than you. Got missed calls from 618, just checking in, girl, you okay? I saw him at the bar, looks like he's moving on. And I'd be lying through my teeth if I said it didn't break me.